Welcome back to the Worldly Traveler. Imagine stepping into the golden age of Miami Beach, where timeless Art Deco elegance meets modern comfort just steps from the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. If you have ever dreamed of staying in a hotel surrounded by iconic architecture, beautiful beaches, and unforgettable coastal charm, today's destination is waiting to inspire your next journey. Today, we are exploring Eurostars winter haven Miami Beach in Miami Beach, Florida, where historic beauty, boutique luxury, and an exceptional beachfront location create a truly memorable escape. Perfectly positioned along famous Ocean Drive, this hotel places guests only moments from the soft white sands of South Beach while offering easy access to Miami's vibrant dining, shopping, and entertainment scene. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a beach vacation, or a weekend adventure, everything you need is just outside the door. From the moment guests arrive, they are welcomed by beautifully preserved Art Deco architecture, elegant interiors, and warm hospitality. Classic design blends seamlessly with modern comfort to create an atmosphere filled with character, style, and relaxation. The guest rooms are thoughtfully designed to provide a peaceful retreat after a day in the Florida sunshine. Comfortable bedding, contemporary furnishings, premium amenities, spacious layouts, and large windows create bright and inviting spaces where every guest can relax in complete comfort. One of the hotel's greatest highlights is its unbeatable beachfront location. Guests can walk directly to the golden sands of South Beach, enjoy refreshing ocean breezes, relax beneath the warm sunshine, or admire the crystal-clear waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Every day offers endless opportunities for swimming, beach walks, and unforgettable seaside moments. Dining is another wonderful part of the experience. Guests can enjoy delicious cuisine inspired by local and international flavors while taking in the lively atmosphere that has made Ocean Drive famous around the world. Nearby cafes, seafood restaurants, and rooftop lounges offer something special for every visitor. One of the greatest advantages of staying here is the outstanding location. Guests can easily explore Lincoln Road, Española Way, Lummus Park, Collins Avenue, the Art Deco Historic District, Bayside Marketplace, and the exciting neighborhoods of downtown Miami and Brickell. Every destination offers unique experiences filled with culture, shopping, nightlife, and entertainment. Visitors can spend the day discovering colorful architecture, browsing luxury boutiques, enjoying oceanfront cafes, or simply relaxing beside the turquoise waters that make Miami Beach one of the world's most famous coastal destinations. As evening arrives, Ocean Drive transforms into a vibrant destination filled with glowing lights, live music, elegant restaurants, and an unforgettable atmosphere. Guests can enjoy romantic walks along the beach, waterfront dining, or simply admire the spectacular beauty of Miami Beach beneath the evening sky. What makes this hotel truly special is its ability to combine historic Art Deco elegance, modern comfort, personalized hospitality, and one of the finest beachfront locations in Miami Beach. Whether traveling for a romantic escape, a beach holiday, a family vacation, or a relaxing weekend getaway, every guest can enjoy an unforgettable experience. This hotel is more than just a place to stay. It is a gateway to discovering the timeless beauty, vibrant culture, and coastal luxury that have made Miami Beach one of America's most iconic travel destinations. Thank you for joining the Worldly Traveler. If this spectacular Miami Beach destination has inspired your next adventure, be sure to subscribe for more luxury hotels, hidden gems, and unforgettable travel experiences from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the extraordinary places that make every journey truly unforgettable.